Hi, it's Matt here. Today I'm going to be giving you a quick look at the Nuovo Fusion MP200 made by Inverter Fusion Ltd. So I've been using this particular machine for the past couple of years in the workshop, and I rate this really highly. It's really versatile, and for a single phase machine that you can use on a household supply, you can weld some fairly thick materials and a wide range of different materials with it. It's primarily a MIG machine, but you can also do DC TIG welding and stick welding. The main thing that sets this machine apart from other machines in this price range or of this size is that it has a pulsed MIG function. And some of the benefits of pulsed MIG welding are that you're able to weld materials with a much cleaner weld bead appearance, with little to no weld spatter and reduced heat input into the parts you're welding. So the main difference between a pulse setting and your standard short circuit MIG setting is that with short circuit MIG, the wire is actually hitting the plate and short circuiting, where the pulse MIG is a spray arc transfer. So the wire is molten before it hits the material that you're welding. So you get a very different sound to the weld, and you get a different appearance as well to the weld. So when it comes to using the machine, it's got very simple digital display with all the programs you're ever going to need built in to the machine. So you've got a manual mode where you can set the MIG welder manually, as you would with any sort of normal old school MIG welder, where you've got your voltage setting and your wire feed. Or you have a synergic mode where you select your material thickness, and that's it. It sets everything else for you. And then it also has programs for all the different material types. So you would select the wire you're using, the material you're using, and then all you have to do is put in the material thickness, and away you go. It also benefits from a twin drive roller setup on the wire feeder. This is something that you normally only see on much bigger, more expensive machines. The benefits of having two drive rollers are that you're going to get a much more consistent feed of wire from the end of your torch, and it's going to be a lot less likely to slip on the wire and cause you any issues there. It also has a TIG gas outlet for your TIG torch and a trigger switch outlet for your TIG torch. So if you're going to do some DC TIG welding with it, you can have your gas and switch running through the machine to activate the gas, whereas normally every other machine I've seen that has the TIG function sort of added on, you have to turn the gas on the torch itself. If you buy it as a package, you get a Binzel Pro MB25 torch with it, which is nice. So there's a quick look at the Nuovo Fusion MP200. If you have any questions about this machine, or if you require any further information, please contact Inverter Fusion Ltd.